Member can ask further supplementary if she wishes, though. Question number 11, Jonathan Young.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My question is to the Minister for the Environment and asks, how have the government's amendments to the Resource Management Act assisted in upgrading New Zealand's infrastructure, and how have they supported economic growth?
The Honourable
Mr.
Dr. Nick
Speaker,
Smith.
a major change was made with the introduction of national consenting, enabling major projects to be considered by a single time-limited, robust process. The new process has worked successfully for the $1 billion Tuhara 2 geothermal power station, the $2 billion Waterview-Motorview project, and the $420 million Wiri Prism. I contrast this with projects like the Northern Gateway project that took 10 years and the Wellington Inner City Bypass that took 15 years. The Environmental Protection Authority yesterday received 2 further significant applications. The first is for New Zealand king salmon for a plan to double its production in the Marlborough Sounds that would generate over $100 million extra in export earnings. The second application received yesterday by the EPA was for the $1 billion Transmission Gully motorway north of Wellington.
Jonathan Young.
Has the Minister received any feedback from submitters or objectors to the robustness of the new national consenting process?
The Honourable Dr. Nick
Speaker,
Smith.
Yes, I have. A letter to the Environmental Protection Authority from the Auckland Volcanic Cone Society was very complimentary of the process, saying the EPA and board had done a thorough and fair job, and I quote, "A fairer hearing has been achieved than under the old system." I also note that both cycle advocacy groups and local residents affected by the Waterview project were also quite complimentary, saying that the board listened fairly, understood their concerns, and that while they had preferred the project had not proceeded, accepted the decision. These comments are a tribute to the 2 respective boards. These positive comments also reinforce how the new process is fair and is delivering timely results for infrastructure and economic development.